Today we're trying the best chicken wings in Buffalo. We're starting with Duffs and then head back to Buffalo for the original at Anchor.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to.
This morning we've made our way over to Buffalo. There's two things we need to do here: see Niagara Falls and eat some wings. We only have a short bit, so we came to Goat Island. This is the first time Courtney has ever seen Niagara Falls, which is the main reason we came. Let's go see what she thinks. And even if it doesn't go well, at least we know we get chicken wings for lunch.
Nothing to hold you back. Take my time. Just enjoy the
Isn't that crazy? Courtney just put Niagara Falls in the GPS and it brought us here. I questioned it about a mile ago and I may have pulled over to see if we were going where we should have been. She was correct. This is exactly what we needed for Courtney's first experience and all we wanted to get into today. First opinion of Horseshoe Falls on our way to the American Falls.
It is really beautiful. The amount of water, how fast the water is flowing. I think to get the full experience, I would need to go down on a boat, but we don't have time to do that today, so that just means we're gonna have to come back.
I think seeing people on the boat, you just want to be down there and feel the power of the water. I've done it. It's really fun. You get to wear a poncho. I mean, how could you not like wearing a poncho? Definitely worth the extra time to get here, but it's time for lunch. Today we're trying the best chicken wings in Buffalo. We're starting with Duffs. This is actually the Niagara location, but we're excited to try this and then head back to Buffalo for the original at Anchor. These are supposed to be the best, those are supposed to be the best. We'll see who wins at the end of the day. But is the light just less spicy, or is it? I wonder how many wings we'll order after she drinks that. So far, what we ordered is, they have a lunch special. So we got 10 wings with 2 sides, both fries. We're splitting that. And then we got 5 extra wings. They have mild, just butter I think. The mild medium is butter plus a little medium sauce. Medium light is a little more, and then the medium is hot. And that's what they're known for, like the medium is hot. And you can get it very hot, and then you can get very, very hot, all the things. And they have all the other flavors that you can get, but they're known for their medium sauce. So we went ahead and got the 5 wings in their medium sauce. Then we are kind of lightweights, so we got the 10 wings in medium light. I got ranch, and then Courtney got blue cheese. And obviously all the french fries. This is just step 1. This should be good. Good french fry. Oh, it's hot. Approved. I can smell the heat. Medium light, blue cheese ranch. That is a carrot. That is not a baby carrot. That is at least a toddler.
That, folks, is traveling with you.
I think we both need to try the medium first. And this is traveling with Courtney. We're ready to eat. We're both very hungry. I'm gonna take my ranch. Probably gonna be hot too. Oh well. That really probably is the best wing I've ever had in my life. It is so juicy, it just fell apart. The skin is crispy. The sauce isn't super hot, but I imagine if we had all of them with this sauce, it would build up. Plus I have the ranch on it, but this is so good. It is a really tangy buffalo sauce, but it has really good flavor. I like it a lot. Okay, let's let Courtney try it. Okay. Yeah. Here you go.
That's a very, very good wing. The meat is very juicy, obviously plentiful. Lots of meat on the whole wing. The blue cheese, very good. And the skin, very crispy. There's lots of crispy bits here. And a good crunch as you bite into it.
You can tell it's just cooked really well. Okay, that was just bite one. Let us eat a few more. We'll check back. We've already had quite a few of them, and it's hard to tell the difference between the sauce. I'm happy we got the medium first so we could get that initial flavor. But to be honest, now that we're in it, we really can't tell a big difference. The sauce just tastes really good, and even though we've been here for a minute, the wings are still really crispy. From what we've read, they do a really good job at selecting which wings they use and at cooking them, and that definitely shows. But this is the medium light. We also have a lot of sauce at the bottom, which is going to be really good with our fries. And I did eat a couple pieces of celery, I promise. It's just the messiest lunch. So worth it. We ended up taking some home. We were gonna eat them, and I was determined that we were gonna eat all of the wings, but as soon as we decided to take them home, I just started to feel so full. So we will have more to try later. And now that we've had Duffs, we have a 30-minute drive to the birthplace of chicken wings, Anchor Bar in Buffalo. The original. You know that while in Buffalo, we had to try the original chicken wing. This is where it's invented, and we're about to see if it's still the best one. Okay, we have raspberry wheat, right?
Yep, so this is called UFO. It is a raspberry wheat, which in Wayne we really like a handful of raspberry wheats there. So,
Technically, this one is for me.
oh, that's good.
And then Courtney's choice is the Anchor Bar Hazy IPA.
Yes. Obviously, Anchor Bar, had to get the Anchor Bar here. I love IPAs. Nice hop to it. Very good.
I'm not surprised. I figured it'd be strong. Gotta compound against the buffalo sauce. Oh, that's good. Like a sour almost.
Yeah.
Also, first thoughts is we've ordered 10 wings and the garlic bread. Courtney's very excited for the garlic bread because she saw a picture. It does look really good. And the room itself decorated amazing. Definitely smells like they fry a million chicken wings here. Very, very distinct smell of old building and chicken wings. Is that accurate? I don't know what they did to this, but it is very good. I went first last time, so we're gonna let Courtney dig in first this time.
Pull my sleeves back.
I know. Which one first? Which one? Celery?
I can say these are a little more saucier. Well, a lot more saucier than the others. So we'll see how good they taste.
And again, Courtney got blue cheese. Oh, I'm here.
I would say the batter has a different taste to it than the others. It's still extremely meaty. Maybe a little less juicy than the ones at Duff's.
Is the sauce different?
So both very, very crispy and good, but
Trying to decide the difference?
yeah, look at that sauce.
I understand what you said about the flavor of the wing, like it's just different. I wonder if they use a different type of oil. Again, still really crispy. I do think that there's a spice there.
I am getting an aftertaste of more heat.
Yeah, I think this one might be a little spicier. I know we got some medium and some medium light on the other at the other place, but it doesn't seem like it was fried as long. But it's still juicy and everything. And there would be a ton more pressure here because there's a ton of people here at this restaurant, whereas the other one was just a normal lunchtime crowd. Very good. I think we need to do a little more research. We were 4 shy again. I think we're getting full. I'm so excited that we were able to stop here on our way back home. I think having the original chicken wing is just something that we're gonna be able to say we've had forever. I did promise that we would pick favorites, and I have to say, almost immediately, I knew that my favorite was actually Duff's. I know we didn't go to the original. The ambiance here is definitely better, and I'm sure the original Duff's is really cool too. But as far as the food and the wings, Duff's were consistent. The sauce was really good. It felt like the sauce was more unique. The wings were bigger. Overall, if I was gonna pick a wing to have over and over again, it would be Duff's. But if you're in Buffalo, I would tell everyone to stop here to have the original. Okay, but do you agree?
I actually have a different opinion. I enjoyed Anchor much better than Duff's. I think the reason for that is, one, the ambiance. Now, granted, I know we went to a different location for Duff's, but the Anchor and the original was really cool. Just everything with how it was decorated was really interesting inside, and the flavor of the wing here, I don't know what it was. We looked it up, and both are supposed to be made in vegetable oil, but I got a hint of a peanut oil with this, so there was just a difference in flavor. The medium sauce here was spicier. Now at Duff's they say it's a very hot medium, and I just didn't think so. The medium here was really good and spicy overall. Obviously at both locations I had draft beer and more options here, so I appreciated that. And the garlic bread here, so good.
Courtney asked if I would pick the garlic bread or the fries because we were comparing everything, and I said both. Because you shouldn't have to pick. They had the best fries. That was the perfect shoestring, and then the garlic bread here is exactly what we wanted. I don't think we wanted any more fries.
No, but the garlic bread here was toasted Parmesan on top and just perfect.
Yeah, on top of like a ciabatta bread. It was really good. Anchor bar, Duffs. We don't agree.
So the only thing left is for you guys to decide. Come to Buffalo and try out both, because I think you wouldn't be disappointed really with either one.
Yeah. Thank you for following along on a big fall trip to New York. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, because we don't even know where we're headed next. You might wonder why there's so many videos of us trying out different restaurants, but sometimes the best way to explore a city or a destination is by trying their food. This is definitely one of those situations. So hopefully you enjoy seeing a variety of foods as much as we enjoy trying them. If you have any destinations that you think we should try out, let us know in the comments so that we can go there and take you along with us.